again Leo, and then this is again me, Kevin. So I'm going to show you about how to turn on the robots. And look at here. When you see this on over here, when you see this on, set your name, like my name's Kevin Run. But when you press this button, this thing over here, we're running over here, and then when you press sender, the thing will go forward or activate something. But when you press this gray button, it will stop, and then it delete. When you press this one, delete, you said, "Are you sure?" And when you click yes, final delete, and then when you get this, wait, I want to find some mode that turn off. Not good. Turn off, the word turn off, over here, turn off. If you just hit this set, it'll happen like this, but if you press like this, X means not, but if you press the word X, that means not turn off. So when you press this button again, so the word turn off, take it over here, press this, turn off it.
Okay.
That's it. But I'm going to break the lawnmower because it'll make for the keeper over here. Look, over here, the part of it will destroy, and then all of it will put over here, all the blocks over here. And there's a motor and a ball, a roboter, and then look at this. I'm going to break it, I'm going to break it for sure. And then when I break that, it will be demolished. I'll break the wheels too. I'll break the wheels. Those are breaking the wheels. When they're breaking the wheels,
Finish?
and not finished.
Not finished?
Yeah. And now just answer me, and then look.
Louder, please.
And now just answer me, not finished, but this said not finished. So when this thing come here, look at this, guys. I demolished the lawnmower, but I will demolish more than that. It's so hard to demolish. So I just demolish like this. Look, all the cables will fall down, but I'm gonna erase it. And look at this. Demolish in destruction, wasting time. And look at the cock over here, inside the cock. It broken. Look, I've broken more. Yeah, more and more. Waste. Nothing can turn to waste land like this. And then it said, "Oh my God, wasted." Look at this. Look, I have something to show you. So good, wait, yes. And then when you press this, like this. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's so funny. So it's funny when I do that.
Funny?
It's so funny for myself. Okay, now I'm going to destroy. Okay.
Bye-bye.
So bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Okay.
Thank you for...
Watching our channel.
Okay.